Alrighty guys, so we ended up getting the engine and trans made together for the Camaro. I used a flat 6-bolt flex plate on a short crank 4.8 with a spacer between the crank and the flex plate. There are quite a few videos on it if you want to go check it out, but I didn't have my camera with me, so I just did it real quick the other night. But we are getting ready to throw the engine and trans in the Camaro. We're doing it tonight just so we can look at it, see that it's in there, but we're getting it done. So let's jump right into that. So this engine bay is pretty gross. Core support's pretty grody. We are going to clean it up real quick. Can't really see under there anymore because it's kind of dark down here. But we got some engine degreaser and we were just going to go over it real quick and clean the bay. We're not going to go crazy. There's no show car, but I just wanted to clean it up while the engine's out. So we're going to spend like, I don't know, 15-20 minutes real quick, clean it up, and then we're going to set the engine and trans in. So I'm super excited. We officially got the engine and trans in. K-member is mostly bolted up. I still need to put a few more bolts in and get everything lined up, but the engine is officially in. I'm going to do a quick overview of what we got done and what we have left to do. Unfortunately, it's going to be a quick minute before we get the car started and running. So let me just show you real quick what's going on underneath it. So we got the 4L80 in here. My dumb self forgot to clearance right here for that trans plug. So I'm gonna have to drop the 4L80 back out for that. I forgot that one of my speed sensors is bad, so I gotta drop it and put a forward speed sensor in there. I do still need to do trans cooler lines, obviously. That's really about it. It's not too much, but I'm going to have to build my trans crossmember, which we'll do very shortly. But yeah, the trans is gonna have to come back out. That's kind of a bummer because it's a pain to get in and out, but we will knock it out. It won't be too horrible. So that's kind of what's going on under the car. We're waiting on the speed sensor, trans cooler line stuff, and I gotta build a cross member. So let me lower the car real quick and then I will show you what's going on up top. Alrighty, so up top we got the engine in the car officially, as you saw. Really, it's pretty much there. It doesn't look like it, but all we have left to do is to get an oil pressure sensor. You can see there's just a nub back there with no sensor on it. So we need to get an oil pressure sensor, and then we can put our intake on, and we can put our intake plenum on, and then our air intake on. We need to get a new radiator because this one is cracked, and then I will run the wiring for the Holly. But it's really close up top, and then we're gonna do full exhaust out the back, and that really is just about it. So we're not gonna be doing that in today's video. It's late and I got sick over the weekend, so I am not doing too hot and not really feeling it, but I wanted to get a video out for you guys. So the Camaro is extremely close. I'm gonna go order tonight all the parts we need for it, get it here, and we'll be able to get the car together and started, and then all we'll be waiting on is just the driveline. I'm gonna have to order a couple things for that and take it to a driveline shop, have them shorten my driveline, yada yada yada. So in the next video, you'll see the Camaro start and run with a full exhaust out the back, and basically be almost ready to drive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. We just barely hit 1,500 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. I can't believe it. We couldn't do it without you guys, obviously, so thank you so much. Don't forget to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.